Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Guys, this morning I'm going to make a breakfast bowl and I want to share it with you. All right, guys? Okay, guys, so this is what I'm going to use to make my breakfast bowl. I'm going to use four potato. I'm going to use some bell pepper, sweet pepper. That's what we call it. I'm going to use onion. I'm going to use some scallion. I'm going to use some eggs, milk, and my favorite, guys, my long leaf butter. Okay, I'm going to use some bacon. All right. So I'm doing it two different way. So 5 minutes in the pot. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is my potato. So I'm going to fry this one. My potato. It looks so nice. And this is my bacon fried nicely. So now I'm going to make it drain. Because you're going to fry your eggs. Okay. So guys, I'm just sauteing the sweet pepper, I just call it bell pepper, and the onion. Potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. Guys, I don't know, I always have hot food in my hands. Woo. Look at that. If you don't like the fried one, this is the boiled one. Remember, guys, I only boil the potato for about 5 minutes, and then I do it just like this. But the potato, the only difference is the potato boils for about 5 minutes. Okay. So now I'm gonna cover this one for the cheese to melt and dish it. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, guys. If you want me to make something, please let me know, guys. All right, and don't forget to like. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless.